Hello, welcome to this my digital learning channel. We are taking an interview with Obstac Solution owner, Mr. Om Prakash Singh, who is running one reputed agency in the Pimpri Chinchwad and Pune, and have a good client base in the digital marketing consultancy. Okay, so welcome, Mr. Om Prakash. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Okay, so just we are taking and go through some points. Tell me about a brief introduction about why you want to become a digital marketer.
Yeah, well, myself, Om Prakash Singh, and currently I am running two company, Obstac Solution and Obstac Media LLP, which is established in 2016. And previous, I was in digital marketing in sales field. So it was my dream that this is a digital era. So a large opportunity in this sector. We can groom our career as a digital marketer, as a freelancer, or as an agency. So, if you want to build your career in this sector, we have a lot of things to do. So, a digital marketer is a job is a very lucrative, and in future aspect, if you are talking about, this is a very good field,
Okay.
and you don't have a requirement of any 4 years, 5 years degree. So
Okay.
even a 10th pass student can even join this digital marketing field. This is the best thing. It is totally depend on your knowledge.
Yes. Sure. Definitely. Okay. So, what is your vision and what do you want to be? Who do you want to be? What is your vision and who do you want to be? मतलब आपकी दृष्टि से क्या विजन होना चाहिए और आप क्या बनना चाहते थे? अगर आप डिजिटल मार्केटर नहीं बनते थे तो क्या बनते थे?
Yeah, definitely. From starting, I want to be a big businessman and not big richest person. I want to be my name in richest person
Okay.
name.
Okay. So, who is your ideal customer?
Everyone who understand digital marketing,
Yes.
the importance of digital marketing, and the person who is knowledge about this sector. What happens in India? Many businessmen, they don't have so much knowledge and digitally, literacy.
Okay.
So the person who understand this field, they are my good customer and ideal customer.
Right. Okay. As a digital marketing agency, how big do you want to scale your business? मतलब आप अपने व्यवसाय को कितना बड़ा करना चाहते हो एज अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी और कंसल्टेंसी?
Definitely, only earning is not my goal.
Okay.
I want to spread. I want to be in every B class city also in India, because if you are talking about digital marketing, this segment is in only metros and nearby such types of cities. So my aim is to spread and go to that all in village level, and
Okay.
I want to establish my branch over there.
Okay, you want to expand
Yes, expand.
in the city or pan India?
Yeah, pan India, definitely pan India, because when after right now I think 40-45%, this is the maximum population. 36, I think the population is using digital marketing. When it will be 100%, 80%, then definitely the opportunity would be very big.
Okay, good. Do you know what formula or strategy drives more profit in your business? Formula or strategy which help you to get more profits?
Definitely customer relationship is the best strategy
Okay.
for every business, not my business only. If you are talking about the best strategy, what happens? You have seen a movie, Rocket Singh. उसमें they told that salesman बेचने के बाद जाते कहाँ हैं?
बराबर बराबर.
So we should not do that, because if you are adding more customer, but you don't have a retention policy, customer satisfaction, then definitely you will lose the best one. Because if you have built a customer client list and you have not retained that, then definitely you have big loophole. So retention, customer satisfaction is my main goal.
Okay, that generates the more profits.
Definitely, they also provide us genuine leads,
Okay.
reference.
Yes. Referral is the
Definitely.
or then you can run advertisement for profitability.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
definitely. Every business should have presence, and every portals, every digital platform on their own customers. So we should definitely use promotion also.
Okay. So it's a good. Abhi, I want to know about that. Where is the time being wasted or hamper your productivity in your daily life? मतलब आपके everyday life, where is the productivity hamper? How will you मतलब plan your day? That is the simple.
Actually, what happens if you are talking about the hampering our business is the main big issue is the lack of literacy of the customer. When we acquire any projects and they don't have knowledge about digital marketing, even they provide us to make a website, and they thought that they have assigned for digital marketing.
Okay.
So the big problem is literacy in India.
Okay. Illiteracy in India, so you want to more convince for them for the digital marketing.
Illiteracy, if you understand what is digital marketing and what is a website, even most of means not most, but in India, a lots of businessmen, they don't have knowledge about the website and digital marketing. Sometimes they understand website is a digital marketing, Facebook is a digital marketing. So
Right.
literacy is very important. If you have literacy, if you are aware, then you can plan accordingly.
Okay. In a daily planning, productivity means you have, suppose you plan something and your productivity is nothing happen on that day. So how will you manage that things? Productivity. I think I am planning something. I want to meet a client, and if suppose some work is coming on that time, then your productivity is hampered. Then how will you plan that work?
Yeah, definitely, it's the daily routine, and we should not worry about that hampering and daily basis. We should plan on yearly basis and 10 years ahead planning.
Okay.
So this PT and this 1 day or 1 hour can't hamper our business planning.
Okay. So you have some challenges also. So what are the main challenges in your business? That is a digital marketing scale up.
Just I repeat. Just I have repeated many times that illiteracy of the client, and second, the fraud digital marketers in market. Actually, there are many clients who want to be in this platform, digital platform, but most of them cheated by some types of yes.
Some people or agencies. Okay.
Yes. So this is the main problem.
So how will you convince? So how will you convince them?
When we meet any clients, then definitely we discuss about our goal and what we have done in previous years. Actually, we have worked in sales in same field, in digital marketing fields. So we have a lots of things to show we have lots of testimonials, customer
Mhm.
feedbacks.
Mhm.
So we can prove ourselves, and we, if any customer clients want to talk with that client, they are we have the option.
Okay, okay. Then how will you differentiate your digital marketing agency based from the others?
Yeah, everyone claims best, but if you are talking about most of the agency, they focused on money making,
Okay.
but our motto is to making relationships.
Mhm.
So everyone says same thing, but when we take any projects, then we prove, and our customer testimonial feedback is our main asset. So we show that.
Okay. So, as per your opinion, what is the customer service and how will you retain the customer?
In India,
Mhm.
customer wants business only.
Yes, yes,
Digital
definitely. Everybody want a
marketing
business,
doesn't.
ROI.
Yes, yes,
Mhm.
yes, yes. Their main concern is ROI.
Mhm.
They don't bother about ranking on first page. They
Mhm.
don't bother how much hits they got.
Mhm.
So we we are not as a sales counselor and any salesman.
Mhm.
We behave like their digital partner. If
Okay.
we contact take any projects, then definitely we told that we are your digital partner. We
Mhm.
educate them that what opportunity you
Mhm.
can get,
Mhm.
then we can convince accordingly.
Okay. Okay. So that is the digital partner, but how will you retain the customer? If suppose you have some customers for 3 to 4 months or 1 year, then next year, how will you retain them? You provide some offers or values.
Yeah, definitely values and ROI we provide.
Okay.
Our main motto is to provide best ROI, and if you will get the return on investment,
Mhm.
customer satisfaction, be in touch,
Okay.
proper response, it makes the customer relation. So
Okay.
it works for retention also.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So I want to ask something about that. How will you get the customer for your agency, or what is your strategy for getting more customers?
Definitely you should have good sales skill,
Sales
because
team. Okay.
having a good digital marketing is skill does not work only if you are a freelancer.
Okay.
If you are a small agency, you should have a skill to pitch your product, convince the customer. And if you are talking about myself, I have joined my career in 2010-11 in this digital marketing field.
Okay.
So still we have 13 years of experience, and
13
we
years. That's
use
very
our
great.
skill for sales also, and we also use other digital promotion for our agency, like Google Ads, SEO, social media, some B2B, B2C portal like Just Dial. Also, you can take the help.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's great. 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 So, but this is the small interview regarding the digital marketing agency. Thank you so much for coming for this interview. I'm very thankful to you. Okay.
Yeah. Welcome. Welcome.